Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create zones within building blocks. During the tutorial, I'll explain the available zone types and zoning protocols, and then show you how to create zones using partitions, and finally how to rename the new zones the partitions create. The zone type can be set at block or zone level on the Activity tab.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.